J&J has been trading at 145 for like the last 5 years, since I've started investing. And I just can't get my head around what like people who are not 45.
I think J&J is one of those stocks that actually ends up kind of trading more like a bond, because you're going to consistently get your like 4.5% and maybe like a little bit of growth, like
the good old
year or whatever. Yeah,
What was that noise?
And that's what you're going to get. And if you're satisfied with that, put your money in Johnson & Johnson.
Eric, that is the sign to buy anymore. That's the sign to buy, if anything, if he's selling.
Yeah.
Did you see he's coming around on Uber?
Oh yeah, I saw.
He said it's undervalued. He said it's undervalued. Yeah. It was actually in his upper tier, like right next to Google and Amazon, of the most undervalued companies in the whole market right now. Now, is Uber pretty good here? Yes, but the most undervalued in the whole market. Come on,
high tide.
Dude, it's pretty close, man.
If your whole world is large cap tech, sure.
Well, it is.
Yeah, I know. That's the joke about Joseph Carlson.
It's Mag 7.
No, but I would say, I mean, at least for me, like, dude, I'm not looking at a stock like probably under like 30, 40 billion market cap. Like my sort of floor in terms of the type of companies to look at is like probably around there. So in terms of those type of companies, I would probably say, yeah, Uber is like very close to being the most undervalued between everything I've looked at.
If you, again, like if your world is basically, and Joseph Carlson's is for sure, but basically if your world is like larger cap and mostly tech, yeah, for sure, Uber is probably one of the best. Like it's probably at least top like 3 or 4.
And Bill Ackman's in it, so
in that category. But
and Bill Ackman's in it. Yeah.
But I mean, I have stuff that's under $1 billion that, you know, is maybe more undervalued. But
speaking of undervalued, Fiscal, you know what else is kind of getting a little attractive here? Disney. I bought some more Disney.
Oh yeah. Disney's fallen back down to 105 ish.
Yeah, I've been adding. I think below 110 solid. And I mean, like,
I think I'm gonna just chill on Disney unless it gets below 100 again, and then I'm gonna probably
just because Amazon has been.
Yeah, it's and I've been Google. I sort of indirectly have some, basically. Now I will say, yeah, that's been a big priority, and actually, which was recently pitched to us. KKR, a little bit of a nibble there too, but indirectly.
I don't like that play.
Why you don't like it? Why don't you like it?
KKR. I just don't like asset management companies in general. Listen, people tell me Brookfield's great. I'm sure it is. It's such a black box to me. Like I cannot figure out what they're doing.
Okay, I'm kind of with you then, because I
dude,
was struggling.
I'm sure they're making accretive investments. It's just as a sort of like an individual sort of investor, like I couldn't go to sleep at night not knowing exactly what that company is kind of doing. You know what I mean?